pick up my voice, because what I want to do is be able to talk to you as well as show you what I'm doing and where I am. So when I get home, I'll have a look at this and see what sound quality is like. Well, you can see where I am. Behind me is the new pedestrian crossing across to what was the Newark Works, and whatever they call it, for me, that is the Newark Bridge. Behind me is the River Avon and all the warehouses that have been long converted into offices. And bless this drone for following me around, because behind me is the town. Well, we'll see how we get on with this. Over and out.